Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market, but felt you didn't have enough money? This is a common thought that deters many from dipping their toes into the world of investing. The prevailing myth is that the stock market is a high-stakes poker game reserved solely for those with deep pockets and a surplus of capital. Now, before we get started on this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more. Now, let's get started. But let's debunk that myth right here, right now. Investing in the stock market does not require you to be a millionaire. In fact, you can start your investment journey with as little as $100. Yes, you heard that right, just $100. This modest sum can be your ticket to building wealth over time. It's not about having a lot to start with, but about starting and letting your money grow. So, the notion that you need a lot of money to start investing is simply not true. Before you start investing, it's essential to understand what the stock market is and how it works. The stock market is like a grand marketplace, where companies sell portions of their business, known as shares. These shares represent ownership in the company and are a way for businesses to raise money for expansion, research, or other projects. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. You become a shareholder, and you get a say in the company's decisions. Plus, if the company does well, so do you. Your shares can increase in value, and you might receive a part of the company's profits, known as dividends. The cost of these shares isn't fixed, it fluctuates, much like the price of goods in a market. This fluctuation is driven by supply and demand. If more people want a share than there are shares available, the price goes up. Conversely, if there are more shares than buyers, the price goes down. Now that you have a basic understanding of the stock market, let's dive into how you can start investing. Investing in the stock market with $100 is possible and can be quite rewarding if done right. Let's dive into how you can kickstart your investment journey with just $100 in your pocket. The first step is to open a brokerage account. Many online platforms now offer zero commission trading, making it easier than ever for beginners to get started. You don't need thousands of dollars to open an account. In fact, many brokers have no minimum deposit requirement at all. Once you have your account set up, it's time to do some research. Start by identifying companies you believe in. These could be brands you love, industries you're interested in, or companies you think are set for growth. Use your brokerage account's tools to research these companies, look at their performance history, and read up on their future plans. Now, here's the exciting part: buying shares. With your $100, you can start purchasing shares of the companies you've researched. But remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key in investing. It's a strategy to spread your investments across different types of assets to reduce risk. You might be thinking, but some shares are priced way more than $100, and you're right. That's where the concept of fractional shares comes into play. Many brokerage platforms now allow you to buy a portion of a share, making it possible to invest in high-priced stocks with just $100. But here's the most important part: patience. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a vehicle for long-term wealth creation. It's about consistently investing, riding out the highs and lows, and letting your money grow over time. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience and consistency. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. So take that first step, get your feet wet, and watch your $100 start working for you. So, we've covered quite a bit today, haven't we? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We started by breaking down the myth that investing requires a mountain of money. In reality, all it takes is $100 and the courage to make a start. Moving on, we delved into the complex world of the stock market, simplifying it to its core essence. It's not a mystical realm, but a dynamic market where businesses trade shares. Then we took a giant leap forward, exploring how to kickstart your investing journey with just $100. We discussed opening a brokerage account, researching potential investments, and making your first purchase. Remember, investing is not about instant gratification. It's about making strategic decisions today for a more secure tomorrow. Investing is a journey, not a destination. So, take that first step today. Happy investing, and be blessed out there.